Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design your own house in Heartopia. It's super easy and fully customizable. First, just tap on the house icon on your screen. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just choose slope building. And then next, now you're in design mode. Here you can freely customize the shape of your house. Arrange the wall like this, like this. Like this, or maybe place door and maybe adjust the layout exactly how you want it. And then next, you can also decorate the house, like maybe place the furniture that you already own. Just tap on this icon, this furniture icon, this one, and then just choose the furniture that you want to place, for example like this, and then just checklist like this. And you can also add another wall or another door, windows, and many more. Just tap on the building material icon, this one, and then just choose the material that you want to add to your house. There are floor, and then wall, door, window, and then roof, and many more over here. And you can also adjust the texture and color over here. Thus, just match everything to your styles. There are no limits. Just get creative and design your dream home however you like. And okay, that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.